Well, I finished it. I cannot wait to show you my granny stitch blanket that I've been working on. I've had a loved one in a medical facility for a few months now, so whenever I go visit, I bring my bag of yarn and my crochet hook and I get to town. So this blanket that I'm going to show you is one that I made for my daughter. She went to Hobby Lobby and picked out all of the yarn herself, and then I just kind of combined it into this pattern, and I hope you enjoy it because I think it's just so bright and colorful. What do you think about that? Isn't that pretty? And I did like a little single crochet border, and the white strip has some sparkle to it, so just to give it a little bit of bling. But I thought this was really gorgeous. My daughter loves bright colors, and you know, I do too. And it's so warm. I love this yarn by Hobby Lobby on this blanket, and it is so soft. I'm really proud of the way this turned out, and I hope you really like it. I've also been working on another granny stitch blanket. Now, I started this one a long time ago. I'm learning how to do an enclosed border on this blanket. So far, I've gotten part of it done. So here is my granny stripe blanket so far. I call this one my happy blanket because it's so colorful and bright and cheery. I have been actually working on this blanket for a number of years, off and on. I'll just forget about it and put it away. And then I finally got it big enough to do the border. So let's just hope that the next time you see me, I've got the border completed and I'm on to the next project. I hope you like these blankets. I know I really had fun making them. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and check out this video right here for some more crochet fun.